Let's look at the first of three thoughts to provoke you for the question, do you own technology or does technology own you? Unplugging benefits. Do you know that our electronic devices, even our TVs, emit a blue light that disrupts our sleep pattern? Our bodies are dictated by our circadian rhythms. Blue light acts as a powerful melatonin suppressant. Turning off these devices early can help us normalize our circadian rhythms. We can easily spend hours scrolling through social media, drooling over fashion, even new tech devices, or spending countless hours grazing the latest news. Compulsive behavior, just one more post? We need to pause and recognize this behavior. Putting aside our devices can give us time to connect with our children, parents, spouse, and yes, even our pets.